Can Asana send emails to clients? That's a common question for anyone using Asana for project management. While Asana is powerful for tracking tasks, managing projects, and collaborating with teams, sending emails directly to clients isn't exactly how it's designed. But don't worry, I'll explain how you can still use Asana to communicate with clients and what workarounds exist. First, let's clear up the basics. Asana doesn't have a built-in feature for sending emails to clients directly from the platform. It's more focused on team collaboration, task management, and project tracking. But that doesn't mean you can't integrate it with your email workflow. Next, you can leverage Asana's email notifications. While they're primarily for team updates, you can still use them to keep clients in the loop. For instance, when you mark a task complete or update a project, Asana automatically sends an email to the people involved. You can include clients on these updates, ensuring they're informed of progress. The fourth thing you can do is integrate Asana with email tools like Gmail or Outlook. By doing this, you can sync your tasks with emails, and you'll be able to send task-related updates directly from your email interface, which is a nice workaround for communicating with clients while keeping everything organized in Asana. Additionally, if you're looking for something more advanced, there are third-party automation tools like Zapier or Integromat that allow you to create workflows where Asana actions trigger emails. This gives you more control over how you notify your clients about specific tasks or project milestones. Next thing, let's talk about Asana's reporting feature. You can generate progress reports on your projects and tasks and send these reports to clients manually. It's not automated, but it ensures you're still delivering important updates in a professional manner. Lastly, if you're wondering if Asana could replace email communication entirely, the answer is no. Asana is a great tool for organizing your work, but for direct email communication with clients, you'll need to rely on integrations or manual reporting. So, while Asana doesn't directly send emails to clients, there are ways to use the platform to keep your clients informed and engaged. It's all about integrating your tools and leveraging notifications, reports, and third-party automation. And just to let you know, you can try Asana completely free, and if you want to unlock exclusive bonuses, check out the first link in the description below for an extended free trial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.